Ito ayagan di provincial accountant.
Well, good morning to each and everyone. May baga. Manang Cecil, salamat na serbisyo and accounting office. Umatgo kay Manang Vivian, then nakakolmet di serbisyo may accounting office, may budget office. Well, as we all know, retirement is the end of of things that we must do. What things that we must do is that yung pagpasok, tatiming, tapos you'll have to work para sa sweldo. So, it's the end of things that we must do. And it is the beginning of things that we love to do. Siguro, Manang Cecil, Pastora, well, we'll have to take care of our grandchildren and children, and that's the things that we love to do. So, that's all, and may God bless us all. Thank you.